Let us all welcome Mr. Andres Isibal Jr. Suwong III.
Hello. Ayan. Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. Sir Director Roddy and our OIC, Ma'am Leia, to our guests, esteemed colleagues and distinguished partners, pleasant afternoon to all. Okay, so this is both an honor and privilege to stand before you today as we come together in a spirit of unity and shared purpose. The Cash Forward program represents not only or merely a response to immediate challenges, but a beacon of our collective commitment to transparency, accountability, and inclusive community development. So this gathering serves as a solemn affirmation that our higher education institutions, our local government units, the national government agencies stand as one, bound by a shared vision to uplift lives, empower the marginalized, and create lasting opportunities for growth and progress. So, welcome everyone. Kung mapansin ninyo, binalik namin yung ating pinirmahan kanina, yung Pledge of Commitment. So, nagkaroon lang tayo ng konting tweaks, nagkaroon lang tayo ng konting adjustment. But, since napirmahan niya siya, kailangan pa rin namin ibalik. Bakit yun siya pinirmahan? Ano yung mga nilalaman ng Pledge of Commitment natin? Okay? So, with this in mind, allow me to formally present our unified pledge. A set of commitments that embody not only our dedication to effective implementation, but also our unwavering resolve to ensure that this program continues to serve as a platform for empowerment and transformation, especially for those who need it most. To support the effective implementation of the Cash Forward program, partner higher education institutions, the local government units, the national government agencies, including yung ating National Council on the Disability Affairs. Andito pa ba si Sir? Wala na, umuwi na po siya. Yung ating pong National Housing Authority, yan, Sir. And then the Department of Education and the Department of Health, umuwi na rin po, and the Commission on Higher Education. So these national government agencies stand united in the following commitments. So ito po, tingnan natin yung ating. So this is the summary of our commitment. Yan po yung aming tinanggap or yung aming na-receive from your in-email nyo this last week or this last few days. So first, a commitment to promoting transparency, accountability, and good governance. The highest standards shall be upheld in handling beneficiary concerns, ensuring fairness in the selection process, and responsible use of program resources. Regular monitoring and evaluation will inform continuous improvement. So, yan po yung ating first commitment. And our second commitment is the strengthening partnership and coordination. So, close collaboration with the SWD, the LGUs, the finance offices, and partner agencies shall be ensured for timely deployment, verification, and release of financial assistance. Clear and open communication channels will be maintained, especially with our beneficiaries. The third commitment is to supporting beneficiaries' learning development. So proper orientations, technical assistance, and supervision will be provided to guide beneficiaries. Focal persons will oversee, validate, and consolidate work outputs and require documentation to ensure accountability and learning. The fourth commitment is to prioritizing inclusion and equity. So persons with disabilities, particularly those from National Housing Authority housing sites, will be prioritized as part of the commitment. Students and graduates from marginalized communities will be given access to meaningful agency-based experiences that promote learning and career readiness. The fifth commitment is to innovation and improved systems. So centralized monitoring tools and digital platforms will be adopted to enhance operational efficiency, streamline documentation, and support effective program delivery. The sixth commitment, which is to strong oversight and quality implementation. So this program shall be implemented based on established guidelines and regular updated work plans. Complete and timely accomplishment reports will be submitted, and feedback from beneficiaries, supervisors, and implementers will be used to improve our operations. And lastly, the seventh commitment is to advancing inclusive community development. So the National Housing Authority will coordinate with partners to help housing beneficiaries access support programs that enhance living conditions. So the Department of Education affirms continued collaboration to promote inclusive development and access to social services. While ang ating Commission on Human Education or the NCR, Human Education NCR, pledges to sustain best practices while ensuring close supervision and mentoring of student beneficiaries. As one with a shared mission, this unified commitment affirms support for the Cash for Work program, not only as a short-term relief, but as a platform for empowerment, growth, and sustainable impact, especially for the most vulnerable sectors. So marami pong salamat sa inyong mga pledges. Magandang hapon.